Please be quiet. Just enjoy this. Do you see how big that is? Look how big that sucker is. Love you, babe. Just chill. Wow. That's the female, I think. Like, so look at the video camera. You can see what it's doing. As it digs a hole, it licks the sap.
Oh.
And you can hear its tongue move like. Each hole it digs it.
It's
and it
really
licks.
good at it.
Yeah. Now look at the real pecker. Stay here.
Are you gonna get closer?
No. This is great footage, babe. This is the female.
How do you know?
The males have another red bar on their face. This is the. They both have red on their heads, but this is the female.
Do you think it knows we're here?
Yeah. Thank you. It's licking. It's licking.
Look at it slide down.
Very cool.
Do you think it loses brain cells when it hits?
Their brain's encased in a special fluid.
Oh.
That's why they can do that. They evolved that way.